The city of New Haven agreeing to a $45 million settlement with the family of Randy Cox nearly a year after the incident, as a criminal investigation into the officer's actions continues.
We want to make sure this never happens again.
The city of New Haven announcing a joint settlement just days after 2 of the 5 officers involved were fired by the Board of Police Commissioners.
The $45 million is something that we came to based on 2 main things. One is, what is an appropriate amount to ensure that Randy has the kind of support and healthcare support that he needs in the long term. And then the other thing is to acknowledge that New Haven wants to do the right thing.
On June 19th of last year, Randy Cox was being transported in the back of a police van without a seatbelt when the driver suddenly stopped, sending Cox flying into the back of the van. Cox complained to the officers that he couldn't move. He was paralyzed from the chest down, but the officers dragged him into a cell before letting him be seen by paramedics. The officers were later charged, and a criminal investigation is ongoing by the state's attorney's office. The 2 other officers are expected to be formally disciplined later this month. The 5th has since retired. All 5 were placed on leave after the incident.
The policies that we implemented were, of course, to put seatbelts in the vans, and we did that quite quickly. But number 2 is to not use the vans unless it was very, very necessary.
Randy Cox's attorney, Ben Crump, said in a statement, quote, "As the largest settlement in a police misconduct case in our nation's history, this settlement sends a message to the country that we know we must be better than this." New Haven Mayor Justin Elker says immediate changes were made to policing policies after the incident.
In New Haven, we very much emphasize that Black Lives Matter. We want accountability for our police department. The actions of those several officers does not represent the overall police department.
Mayor Elker telling Fox 61 he spoke to Randy's mom Saturday morning.
Spoke with her briefly and expressed my hope that while this settlement can never bring back Randy to the state he was in when he walked into a police van, that it helps them have some certainty in the future that Randy will have the care that he needs, and that we are here to support the family in any other way possible.
Mayor Justin Elker said Randy's mom thanked him for reaching out to her. The criminal investigation into the officer's actions may take several more months. In New Haven, Jake Garcia, Fox 61, Connecticut's news station.